Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your Grubhub delivery with Grubhub, complete guide step by step clearly. To optimize your Grubhub delivery experience, begin by downloading the Grubhub app or visiting their website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access a personalized experience. Enable location services to find restaurants near you. Browse through the restaurant options available in your area. Utilize filters to narrow down your choices based on cuisine, price, and delivery time. Read restaurant reviews to make an informed decision. Check the restaurant's menu and specials for deals. Add items to your cart, ensuring you choose the correct quantities and options. Review your cart before proceeding to checkout. Apply any promo codes you may have for additional savings. Select your preferred payment method, which can include credit or debit cards, PayPal, or Grubhub gift cards. Choose whether you want your order for pickup or delivery. Enter your delivery address to confirm it's accurate. Estimate your delivery time for better planning. Consider adding a tip for the driver when confirming your order. After placing your order, track its progress through the app or website. Be available to receive your delivery, and ensure you are at the location specified. Upon receiving your order, check it for accuracy and quality. Enjoy your meal with a seamless Grubhub delivery experience. If you encounter any issues, contact Grubhub support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.